Hey there, this is Ruben Lerner. I've been using Python for about 30 years and I've been teaching it for 25 years now, and I continue to be amazed really by the extraordinary number of people who want to learn and use Python nowadays. It's really, really great. The problem is that so much of the material assumes that you come from a programming background. And so it uses terminology and it uses ideas that you might not be familiar with if you're new to the whole coding world. Two of the places where I see people have the most trouble is with functions and with objects. There's a ton of new terminology, there are a ton of new ideas, and the syntax can really trip you up if you're not careful. So over the next 3 weeks, I'm going to be offering special courses aimed at newcomers to programming. I'm going to be teaching one 4-hour class on functions for newbies and two 4-hour classes on objects for newbies. If you have little or no experience with functions and objects in Python, these classes are for you. They will go slowly. They will have lots of exercises. There will be lots of time for you to ask questions. And when you make mistakes, because we make mistakes when we're learning, I will want you to share with me what's going on, and we can all learn from them. I really, really hope that I'll get lots of people who are new to functions and new to objects to come to these classes and come away understanding them and understanding how these tools can help them to write better Python code. Best of all, I'm really trying to keep the price low on these courses, only $50 per course. That's for each 4-hour course, where you will have access to me, asking lots of questions, and being able to really up your Python skills. Come join me at my upcoming courses, where we're going to have lots of fun and learn lots of things at a level and a pace that's appropriate for you. I look forward to seeing you, and if you have any questions at all, leave a note here and I'll be happy to answer it. Hope to see you at my 3 Python for Newbies courses.